Hello, everyone. It is Linda Sims of Let's Mess It Up Soul Line Dancing of New Orleans, Louisiana, and I am here to present the line dance, Just Open Yourself. The song is Joy, the artist is LEDISI, and the choreography is NICOLE. If you or someone you know is interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. As a friendly reminder, if you're interested in the step-by-step instruction, I'll post it at the end of this video, and also check out the choreographer demo and instructional. And here we go. And there you go. Just open yourself. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.